So I have already created my layer. So the first thing I need to do is to create my shape. So left click here, select the rectangle, and now left click on the layer. So for the width of the rectangle, I'm going to choose 640 and the height 1100. So I'm using 640 for the width because the width of the layer here is 1920 and I want to place 3 images. So if I divide 1920 by 3, it's 640. And now press OK. So make sure to change the fill here to black of the rectangle, this one here, and then press OK. And now select the move tool. Going to move it here. I'm going to center it. And now go to edit, transform, and then skew. And now select this handle here and then just move it to the right until you're satisfied. So I'm going to leave it here like this, and now click on this icon here to confirm. And now let's center it back. So here it is. And now I'm going to bring my image. So for the middle one, I'm going to use this image here. And now make sure this image here is on top of the rectangle. And now just right click on it and then select clip in mask. So as you can see, our image or layer here took the shape of the rectangle. And now if I select the move tool, I can move it or even scale it. So for example, I'm going to leave it here. Make sure to fill this area here. So I'm going to leave it here, and now I'm going to bring my second image. So let's select this one here. Make sure to place it under the rectangle, the shape layer. And now we're still on the move tool, and now I'm just going to place it here. And now I'm going to scale it up a little bit. So just check the transform controls and then scale it up to fill the place here. So I'm going to leave it like this. So here it is, and I just click here to confirm. And now I'm going to bring my third and last image. So here it is. Make sure to place it under all the layers or the image layers, just on top of the background layer. Select the move tool, and now let's place it on the left here like this. So for this one, I think I don't need to scale it up or resize it. So I'm going to leave it here. And now select the top layer, create a new layer, click on this icon, select the rectangle, change the fill to white. And now I'm going to create a rectangle. So I'm going to create, so for example, this here like this. And now select the move tool. And now if I place my cursor right outside the rectangle so I can modify it, just make sure that you have checked the transform controls. And now I'm just going to place it here to make it look like separation, and then right click on it, duplicate. And now I'm going to place this one here like this.